Alright, I'm making a recording here at 7 Newell Street. I'm now taking this recording from the repair that we did in the hole here, right out in front in between 7 and 9 Newell Street. We are recording this from a T-access that we put in to give us somewhere to camera from. And right now, I'm a little ways down the line. I've marked it out on the sidewalk about where it is, 6 feet deep. Pipe's broken, so you can see we're missing on the bottom side of the screen, which is the right side of the pipe. We are missing a huge chunk of the old concrete line, so that is presenting some issues. Obviously, large root on the top part of the pipe, probably from this tree pretty close by, and then completely broken on the bottom section of the line. So coming back from here, we're going to zero out our footage so we got an idea where we're at here. So, old 6-inch concrete line, as is well known through this stretch of pipe. We got some sand along the bottom. Got what looks like an old tie-in there, or probably maybe a current tie-in, on the kind of right side of the pipe there where that root's growing in. That is probably the kitchen line for 7 Newell Street. I don't know if it's still active, but we'll take a look. We'll figure that out today by running some water and finding some things out here. Root coming in there, small root. And back into the repair here. So we're looking at about 32 feet from where that hole in the pipe is back to the repair that we've installed here. You can also see the old, or the new sewer line there on the left side of the screen. That's the new sewer line for Newell Street that they rerouted. It looks like they redid and rerouted it. I'm going to pull out of the hole, get a look at our repair here. So upstream that way, that's 9 Newell Street, the T, and then downstream that's heading in towards the new sewer line for 9 Newell, or 7 Newell I should say. And this line here, this branch arm coming in, is the old sewer line for 7 Newell. So I'm going to pause the recording there. We're going to try to record from the lines over, or the cleanouts over at the corner house on the Queen Anne Ave corner. Pausing the recording there. All right, we're continuing the recording here, working from the corner home. Let me grab the address real quick so I can refer back to it. So we're now going from the upstream cleanout at the 2620 Queen Anne Avenue North home, heading back towards 7 and 9 Newell Street. Good news is I was able to jump over that broken part going this direction, which was promising for doing some lining without having to dig that break up. So we're at where that T is right now, where the Bob Oates' recent dig was, where we dug it up on Friday. So we're coming back now from our repair we installed, going past. This is where the sewer now ties in for 7 Newell Street, there on the top part of the screen. That's what you're looking at there. Now we're coming back into that old concrete pipe, 6-inch, coming back towards 2620. So this on the top part of the screen now, that's the tie-in for the old downspout, old kitchen line for 7 Newell Street. I'm going to flip our screen around here so we can see a little better. We're a little closer to the bottom anyhow. So there's another tie-in. That's likely for the downspouts and possibly kitchen line for 2620. Full of roots, so it could be abandoned. Have to do a little more research into that. I'm actually going to get our footage here before we, just in case I have some troubles getting over that broken spot again. Yeah, we having issues with the footage. Okay, I'm going to just take the recording now, and we're going to have to work on getting the footage. I'm going to mess around with the footage a little bit. It seems to have froze. Not ideal, but I'll work on that. Just want to make sure we get it recorded for now. So there's the 7 Newell Street old tie-in for the kitchen line. Coming up on the 2620, either old downspout tie-in, kitchen line tie-in, or abandoned. Be coming close to our break here pretty shortly. Oh, this might be our 2620 tie-in. I have to get on board with these guys and run a little bit more water from each one to find out what's all tying in and if it needs to be gapped during the lining process. So here's coming through that broken section. There's missing the bottom of the pipe. You can kind of see on the left side of the screen that same reference points I took in the other video. And coming back into the two-way cleanout and coming up out of the pipe. Now we're going to go down the downstream one heading out towards Queen Anne Avenue. Again, old 6-inch concrete line. Turning. So at some point there was new plastic put in down. There's a repaired section down there closer to Queen Anne Avenue. Oh man. That looks like we've got another broken section of this pipe down here. That looks like either a cable stuck in the line or a humongous root. I'm going to pause the recording here and go locate where this is. This is not looking good though, because that looks like dirt. Alright, we're pausing there. I'm going to try a couple tricks to get past that. Okay, I've got this section located out right in Queen Anne Avenue, kind of out in the street. I'm going to pull back from there. There's that repair somebody's done at some point along the line, kind of on the curb line over there by Queen Anne Ave, back into old 6-inch. Pretty sandy run through here. Coming back up out of the clean out now. I'm going to try cutting my skid off of the camera in order to try to make it past whatever that is out there in the street, and see if we can't get all the way to the main. Pausing the recording again. Okay, I'm unable to get past that spot out there, Queen Anne Avenue Street. It's about 9 feet deep, just off the curb. Whatever it is, I'm unable to get past. I mean, it appears to be more broken pipe, which doesn't surprise me all that much given the condition of this line so far. You can see mud in there. You can see a big chunk of something, clay pipe possibly. Yeah, that looks like a piece of clay pipe almost. It's probably where it goes from concrete to clay, concrete transitioning to clay, and the pipe at that spot is separated. So I'm going to send this video over to everybody who I've got the emails of, and we can kind of discuss what the options are. Ending the video there.